Why does your scanner show the P0490 engine code? What does it mean? P0490 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, a control circuit high. This error code indicates that powertrain control module has detected an abnormally high voltage reading within the EGR system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR valve, clogged EGR passages, faulty EGR sensor, wiring and connector issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Abarth, Volkswagen, Saturn, BMW, Ram, Ford, and Infiniti. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.